Hello guys, welcome to Fulbright Scholarships channel. Today in this video, we are going to show you uh, the details about France Excellence Eiffel Scholarships for you. So the last date is January 8, 2025. So you have to apply for these scholarships and learn and study in France campus and get scholarships then of Eiffel. Okay, so this is the main website campusfrance.org. It call for France Excellence Eiffel Application 2025. So in this video we are going to see which subjects and who are eligible for this France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship. So you have to just see here science and technology, bio and health, ecological transition, maths and digital engineering and sciences, social and human sciences, history, France language and civilization. So you can see here, this is the call letter application. You can see here, translate this one. So the 2025 call for application will open on October 1, 2024. And today is October 9. So you have time. Last date is, I think, January 8, 2025. So let's see what are the new requirements. Please note that this calendar does not apply to students who must contact French establishments to find out their application deadlines. Opening of call application is October 1, 2024. Webinar for institution early October. Deadline for instruction to submit application files to campus is January 8, 2025. So you have time. Announcement for result. The winners and establishments will be informed of the result by email first week of April 2025. So you have approximately 1 month, 20 days. So prepare for this excellence, Eiffel Excellence Scholarships program, and then submit your application. Guide and the regulations, Eiffel program application submission guide. Here is the submission guide. Oh my God, there are too much steps are opened. So another these regulations of Eiffel Stock Exchange. Okay. Selection criteria is here the Ministry of Europe and the Foreign Affairs appointments experts for the selection of scholarship recipients. So, files. Only French higher education establishment can submit application file. You can contact them Eiffel program using this tab or contact tab. So here is the guidelines for the Eiffel Scholarship. You can read this guideline, and this consists of 14 pages. You can see here. It is in French language. You have to translate them and then read them. I think this is eligibility for this scholarship. These are the regulations for France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship. And these are, and these are some, just I have to translate this to English from here. So this is the tab where you can get the information about the field of study. Here are the field of study and the level of education for this scholarship. So this is for today, and this is the main website for France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program. You can visit here and apply for 2025 scholarships. So kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting upcoming scholarships updates. So till then, take care. Goodbye.